Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to do the AI avatar trend on TikTok and Instagram using the app called Lensa. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you want to join the AI avatar trend video which you see on TikTok and Instagram, then let me show you how to create these kind of videos. So just before we begin, I do want to warn you, it will cost you to create this AI art effect. So to create this AI avatar video, you want to go to your app store. You want to search for the app called Lensa, L-E-N-S-A. Now this is the app which you're looking for. Lensa AI Avatar Photo Editor. So go ahead and download the app. So once that's installed, go ahead and open the app. Now here, agree to the privacy policy and term of use, then tap on next, then tap on next. This will go through all the features which are available on this app. So go ahead and tap on next, next, get started. Now this will ask you if you want to subscribe to this app. So if you're not sure, go ahead and enable the free trial. So I'll try the free and subscribe. So now this is what we're trying to create, the magic avatar photos. So it takes all your photos and it creates an AI avatar picture out of it. So go ahead and tap on try now. Now have a read and it'll basically tell you what you're expecting. Go ahead and agree to that. I have reached the age of majority, which is 18 to 21 year old. Then tap on continue. Now it will show you the good example photos and the bad example photos. So make sure you follow the good example ones. Select 10 to 20 selfies. So here I'll just select random ones. Let's try it. Press done. Okay, I'll just put down male. Now here, this is where you need to pay. So you can choose $2.49, $3.49 or $4.99. I would suggest choose the 50 unique avatars, which is £2.49. And go ahead and purchase that. And once you purchase that, this app will then create you the AI avatar photos as you've seen in the example before. So that is how to create the AI avatar trend videos you see on TikTok and Instagram using Lensa. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.